Everyone, we're at Kenwick. There's a lot of dog mess around. Definitely not my dogs. Because I need to clean up after them and they go, come on, you gotta move. Yeah, anyway, I'm over the other side today. Just hoping for like a slightly drier, cleaner route. So yeah, I've got Nala, Pumpkin, Jazz and Finnick with me, and then I got to do a little bit of work sort of nearby here, like 20 minutes away. So anyway, that's the plan. And I just figured while I was here I would take the dogs for a walk. So true to my word, I'm going to stop filming and pick up this. I just came across a dog walker. Well, I must have had 8 dogs. Passed them on a path as narrow as this. All 4 dogs. So, temperament is important. So yeah, I am exhausted today. I've had a couple of like 5:30 a.m. starts. And the dogs are insisting that 5:30 is now the time we have to get up. And it really isn't. Well, you went the wrong way, didn't you? I don't know why they sort of fenced parts and gated parts. But they have. So yeah, I haven't got like hours to spend here. But, you know, long enough that they get a nice run. So yeah, because Pumpkin's being a help to me, doing a bit of work. She's on this walk, or I would have brought like one of the other show dogs, if you like, so they could add a trip doing something like this. It wasn't all showing, but I'll probably go up the mountain or something with them tomorrow. That's kind of a plan, but it's okay, like this little group. And that's the other thing as well, I've only got 4 with me because the dogs that aren't being used are going to be just chilling out in the car. I got a bowl of water for them, but I didn't want like loads of dogs and then them being hot because they, you know, they cram together, whereas like this amount in the boot aren't going to really be like, they can sit separate from one another and keep cooler. And it's not super hot, it's like really cloudy here, so. Got to admit, I'm quite enjoying this little route. There's been a couple of muddy crossovers. The dogs have found water en route to run through, obviously. But like, been a couple of climbs on sand dunes. Finnick! Watch now. Finny! I thought I heard him break. This way! Here he is. I think we could have a picture on this open bit, couldn't we? Hey? Because it looks all very nice and picturesque, doesn't it? Yeah, I'll do a picture. I want to see if we can target on that. Finnick's going to wee on it. Ready, target. Finnick! Finnick! It's yours, you nutter. Target. Wait. Finnick. Nala, come here. Target. Yes. Ready? Jazz, target. Target. Yes. Wait. How'd you do it? Right. Good. And wait. Finnick. Ready? Yes. Good guys. Finnick. Winnie. Finnick. There are dogs over there, by the way, and people over there. Pumpkin, target. Pumps. Pumpkin. Thank you. Good guys. Pumps. You got a wasp by him as well. Ah, Nanny and grandson. Jazz. Jazz. Target. Pumps, target. Yes. Good guys. Oops. Come on in. Don't try again. Jazz. Wait. Good girl, Jazz. Right, wait. Good guys. Good guys. Oh. Okay, come on in. Good guys. She's have fun. Oh, the sand is nice and soft. Straight in. This way, you nutter. That's a good leap. She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Good guys. It's busier than I thought for a weekday morning. I mean, it's mid-morning, I guess, but anyway, it's all right. It's not okay. Come on, Nala, you've got to go in to see a little bit. Did he make you chase him in the sea? Oh, you know what you're doing, bud. You know what you're doing. I think the tide's going out. Oh, there's a tennis ball there. Can I throw her? Oh, Jasmine, what is that? Oh, you got ball? Oh, that's a good toy, Finnick. Oh, he's got a little face on it too. Oh, might have a hole in it if it's sunk. Come on, you can join in, you lazy toad. One more picture. Bump. Wait. Jazz. Finnick. Jazz, stop creeping. You're a creeper. You're a creep. You're a creep. She's like a nut monkey. Good guys. Good guys. Wow. So you make a noise and it means she thinks it means you got a creep. And I just mean I want you to look at me, but I don't know how to get her attention without making a noise. Anyway, right, I'm gonna shut up. I might take some more pictures, but generally we're just gonna enjoy ourselves, and we. So hope you enjoyed. I know I filmed quite a bit, so hope you enjoy this, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.